Shamanettes, it's the Beauty Shaman. So I am putting on some City Lips lip gloss, which has hyaluronic acid. So when I put it on, it like, I can feel it, it like plumps up my lips, and it has kind of a lovely little flavor to it as well. And I love lip gloss. And maybe it's because of like the mask thing, right? When you wear a mask, you can't show your lips. So when I can show my lips, I'm putting on lipstick and lip gloss. In any case, I wanted to talk to you about my favorite products in the City Beauty line, because they've sent me a bunch of products, and I honestly have really liked all of them. I've really enjoyed all of them. And I wanted to tell you about my favorite. The Hydra Mask has just become one of my all-time favorites, just because when you put it on, you immediately notice the difference. It immediately plumps up your skin. It has hyaluronic acid and antioxidant-rich peptides. I love anything that when I put it on and then I take it off, I go, oh, things are plumper, right? It's the only part of my body that I want something to be plumper. Everything else, I don't want it to be plumper. I want it to be, oh, maybe besides the bosoms, right? Let's get those a little up. You know, otherwise it's like, can we de-plump a few things? Otherwise, I have to say, I do love my body. I love, like, I really strive to be super positive, always optimistic about life and how I look. And I just really strive for that. Having said that, I love this product. So I want to open it and share it with you. So it comes like this, and the mask is in there, and you have to peel away the outside. See, like that. And then you get to the mask, which is covered in all kinds of gooey loveliness. And it has little eyeballs in it. Sort of like Halloween, but not really. So you put it on, but I like to then dip my fingers in the container, get all the juice out, right? And then put that on my neck and on my hands, and so nice. And then lie back, put some favorite music on, and just relax. It's fantastic. And mind you, you do this after you get out of the shower or after you wash your face so your pores are open. You don't just like put it on. And then when you take it off, oh my God, like your baby's bum. Your face is like a baby's bum. Your baby's bum. If you have a baby with a bum, it's so great. And then after I do my Hydra Mask, I do a little multi-action sculpting cream. This is really awesome because you put it on your neck and then up in your jawline. You know, if you're like me, things have, you know, they get a little droopy right here. And I love my face. Again, very positive language around aging and droopy bits and things like that. Having said that, I do like to use a little bit of sculpting cream on top of it just to plump everything up. So who doesn't want this area a little bit tighter? I mean, it's a good thing, right? So after that, I put a little SPF 39 with the Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. I really like this. It has zinc in it. So when you put it on, it's a little bit white and then it has to soak in. It works really well. And this goes great under makeup. It doesn't get too cakey under your makeup. And then I toss on a little bit of my body balm. And this is also Invisicrepe. So this helps with crepey skin on your body. I like rolling it. I put it everywhere. Thighs, which are probably the most kind of jiggly bit, like underneath my arms. I don't know if you're like me, but that is a big, like, creepy area. Then I like to toss on a little mascara, not let you toss on mascara, sort of like throwing it on the wall or something. I do really love their mascara. It isn't goopy. And I think this is important because goopy mascaras are really in right now. If you've looked at any of our younger counterparts, and they have these really thick eyelashes that were really trendy back in the 80s when I was, right? 80s, 70s, they had that really thick. I mean, tell me that if you know that down below. When was it? There was like spiders, like Tammy Faye Baker, right? Spiders coming out of your head. Anyway, it's not like that, which is for me is a real plus. I like my lashes to have some length to them. I like them to look good, but I don't want them to be covered in goop and crawling out of my head. And then, of course, at the very end, I have to put on my City Lips lip gloss. I love the clear. Like, I just wear it with all different lip colors. And sometimes I'll just do a little lip liner with the clear. So it's phenomenal. I would say my favorite product is probably the lip and the Hydra Mask. I would say those two are probably the two that I've used the most and that I've like fallen in love with and I can't put down. So do check out City Beauty. They're actually having a site-wide sale from November 11th through the 18th. You get 40% off with the code GIVE40. It's GIVE number 40, right? So all caps 40 at checkout for 40% off. Yay! I mean, who doesn't love a 40% off sale? I'm such a sucker for sales. I'm like the sale person, you know, I'm at the sale rack going through things. Please check down below for a link to take you directly to the website. And don't forget to use the code GIVE40 through the 18th. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.